Hi guys, goldfries here at ViewSonic, and this is the M1 portable projector, and it is a projector that has partnership with Harman Kardon, so it has Harman Kardon audio performance. Now let you listen to the audio playback from this projector. Now, audio projection aside, there are a few interesting points about this projector. First being that it has automatic vertical keystone adjustment, so anywhere you point, it will know how to adjust itself to the screen. Then it has a very good battery life, being able to play at least 2 movies on full charge, and charging takes about 3 hours. That aside, it also has a protection where if anyone or any object appear in front of this projection LED, it will off itself. Let me show you. If I see, when you detect something right in front, it will off. Again, let me put my hand there. Check it out. So this is to protect the eyes of people who pass by in front, particularly like kids who may be running around across this thing. And then there's also the interface. So let me show you the interface. This M1 does come with its own interface system, which is, let me control it for you. And as you can see, it's a file system in itself. Let me move this one over here. So this is the interface. It's currently conflicting with another that is on display here, so I'm going to show you. The interface allows you to choose from either the files from local storage, from micro SD, USB reader, and allows you to connect to USB Type-C or even play with HDMI. That aside, let's look at the settings. So this is what it is. You get to choose aspect ratio, set the keystone to be on auto. It has vertical keystone and brightness adjustment, among many other features. For example, it has display modes, language, profiles for audio output, the light source mode, and even eye protection like what I demoed earlier. So this unit, I do not have the pricing yet, but it's said to be around 300 US. It's a really nice portable unit. Fold the stand up and you are good to go. Alright, so that's it for this brief introduction of what the ViewSonic M1 projector is. And I hope to see it in my lab soon to give you a more detailed feedback and of course a review of what it is. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.